Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make tuna tacos. First, gather all your fresh ingredients. You'll be surprised how quickly this delicious meal comes together. We'll prepare a simple yet flavorful tuna mixture, then get your tortillas and toppings ready. Finally, we'll assemble everything for a satisfying and easy dinner that everyone will love. Let's start with the star of the show, the tuna mixture. Begin by thoroughly draining 2 cans of your favorite tuna. In a bowl, combine the tuna with a few spoonfuls of mayonnaise and a squeeze of fresh lime juice. Stir in some finely diced red onion and fresh cilantro, then season with a pinch of salt and pepper to taste. This creates a vibrant and tasty filling. Now let's get our tortillas and toppings ready. Gently warm 8 corn or flour tortillas in a dry skillet or microwave until they are soft and pliable. For toppings, shred about 1 cup of crisp lettuce and dice 1 ripe avocado. You can also prepare your favorite salsa, a creamy sauce, or a dash of hot sauce to add an extra kick. It's time to assemble your delicious tuna tacos. Take a warm tortilla and spoon a generous amount of the flavorful tuna mixture into the center. Next, pile on your fresh toppings, like the shredded lettuce and diced avocado. Finish with a drizzle of your chosen sauce. Serve these easy tuna tacos immediately and enjoy a quick, satisfying meal that's bursting with flavor.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.